Welcome to Switzerland, a land of breathtaking beauty and tranquility. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this country is a treasure trove of serene landscapes that leave you spellbound. Imagine towering mountain peaks, their majestic stature standing tall against the azure sky. Picture crystal-clear lakes, their calm waters mirroring the beauty of the skies above. Visualize lush green valleys, a sight so soothing it feels as if a painter has spilled a palette of green hues onto the canvas of the earth. Switzerland isn't just about its landscapes, it's also about the sense of peace and tranquility that they inspire. It's about the feeling of standing at the foot of a mountain, looking up at its peak, and being filled with a sense of awe and wonder. So come along and immerse yourself in the serene landscapes of Switzerland, from towering mountain peaks to crystal-clear lakes. Experience the majestic Swiss Alps like never before as we take you on a visual journey through stunning drone footage set to epic cinematic music. The Swiss Alps, a magnificent tapestry of nature, unfolds its grandeur in an array of towering peaks and verdant valleys. Imagine the crisp alpine air filling your lungs as the deep green valleys stretch out below you, dotted with a scattering of charming villages. These quaint settlements, nestled among the hills and valleys, are a testament to the region's rich history, their wooden chalets set against the backdrop of the mighty mountains. The Swiss Alps are not just about the mountains, though. The region is a symphony of diverse landscapes that harmoniously blend together, creating a melody that resonates with every nature lover. The lush green valleys, cradled by the towering peaks, wear a blanket of vibrant wildflowers in the warmer months, a sight that would make even the most seasoned traveler pause in awe. And then there are the mountains themselves, their snow-capped peaks reaching for the sky, standing as sentinels over the serene landscape below. These are not just any mountains. They are some of the highest and most formidable peaks in Europe, their icy facades challenging and rewarding in equal measure. Majestic, imposing, awe-inspiring words that barely scratch the surface when describing these giants of nature. As we journey further, we encounter the breathtaking spectacle of cascading waterfalls. These natural wonders, born from the melting snow of the high peaks, tumble down the mountainside, their crystal-clear waters creating a soothing harmony that echoes through the valleys. The sight of these cascading waterfalls, their waters glistening in the sunlight, is a testament to the raw, unspoiled beauty of the Swiss Alps. So, come along, let's lose ourselves in the tranquility of the Swiss Alps, where every vista is a postcard, every moment a memory. Let's breathe in the pure alpine air. Let's listen to the whispers of the wind. Let's feel the pulse of nature. For in the heart of the Swiss Alps, we don't just observe nature, we become a part of it. Witness the sheer grandeur of nature as we fly over snow-capped mountains and cascading waterfalls. Feel a sense of peace and calm wash over you as you soak in the awe-inspiring beauty of the Swiss countryside. This isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a tranquil symphony of nature that plays out in perfect harmony. Here, life moves at a different pace, unhurried and serene, as though each moment is savored. Each breath is a celebration of tranquility. Imagine a place where lush green meadows stretch out as far as the eye can see, interrupted only by the occasional wildflower, dancing in the gentle breeze. This is the Swiss countryside, a place that seems to have been painted by the hands of an artist, each stroke filled with love and care. And then, there are the crystal-clear lakes, untouched and pure, reflecting the clear blue sky above. They are like mirrors, perfectly capturing the beauty of the world around them. Each lake is a world unto itself, a haven for countless species of fish and birds, and a source of life for the surrounding land. But what truly sets the Swiss countryside apart are its charming alpine villages. Nestled amidst the rolling hills and valleys, these villages are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Swiss people. Each house is a story, each street a chapter in the book of this land. From the quaint wooden chalets to the traditional Swiss farms, every structure is a piece of history, lovingly preserved for future generations. There's something magical about the Swiss countryside. It's more than just a place. It's a feeling, a sense of tranquility that seems to soothe the soul. It's a gentle reminder that in this fast-paced world, there are still places where time seems to stand still, where nature reigns supreme. Experience the magic of Switzerland in all its glory, a place where time seems to stand still, and nature reigns supreme. Now prepare to witness the sheer grandeur of nature as we fly over snow-capped mountains and cascading waterfalls. There's something mesmerizing about the Swiss Alps. The pristine beauty of these mountains, with their rugged peaks piercing the clear blue sky, is something that has to be seen to be believed. Each mountain, a testament to the majesty of nature, stands tall and proud, adorned with gleaming white snow that sparkles under the golden rays of the sun. But there's more to these mountains than just their imposing heights. As we go deeper, we come across cascading waterfalls, their crystal-clear water rushing down the rocky terrain with a sound that is music to the ears. The sight of these waterfalls, with their power and grace, leaves one in awe of the grand spectacle that is nature. As we continue our journey, we are greeted by the sight of vast glaciers, their icy surfaces glistening in the sunlight. These glaciers, with their slow, steady movement, are a reminder of the breathtaking beauty that lies in the heart of the Swiss Alps. The majesty of nature doesn't end there. The Swiss Alps are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, each species contributing to the vibrant tapestry of life that makes this region so unique. From the delicate alpine flowers that dot the mountainsides to the majestic eagles soaring high in the sky, every creature plays its part in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. And then there are the serene alpine lakes, their tranquil waters reflecting the grandeur of the surrounding mountains. The sight of these lakes, nestled amidst towering peaks, is a sight to behold. The serenity of these waters, undisturbed by the hustle and bustle of modern life, is a testament to the timeless beauty of nature. The grandeur of nature is truly awe-inspiring, isn't it? As we draw this journey to a close, we're left with a profound sense of admiration for the grand spectacle that is the Swiss Alps, a place where nature's majesty unfolds in all its glory. Thank you for joining us on this Swiss Alps adventure. We hope you've enjoyed this spectacular journey as much as we did, crafting it for you. The towering peaks, the tranquil valleys, the crystal-clear lakes, and the charming alpine villages. Isn't it amazing how nature can leave us speechless yet fill us with so many stories to tell? If you enjoyed this journey, there's so much more we have in store for you. We aim to bring you closer to the world's most stunning landscapes, from the comfort of your own home. We're on a mission to capture the grandeur of nature in all its glory, and we're just getting started. From the lush rainforests of the Amazon to the vast plains of the Serengeti, from the deep canyons of the Grand Canyon to the ethereal northern lights in Iceland, we promise you more epic adventures filled with awe-inspiring visuals and captivating stories. Imagine sitting back with a cup of coffee and immersing yourself in the beauty of nature, feeling a sense of peace wash over you as you explore the most stunning destinations from around the globe. That's the experience we strive to deliver, and we're thrilled to have you with us on this journey. Our world is brimming with breathtaking beauty just waiting to be discovered. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to ensure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming adventures. We're constantly exploring, constantly capturing, and constantly sharing the best of what our wonderful world has to offer. Join our community of explorers, of dreamers, of storytellers. Let's marvel at the wonders of our world together. Let's share these experiences, and let's inspire each other to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more epic videos like this one. Thank you, and see you in the next adventure.